Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this story was a long time in coming, and its coming comes as no surprise to anyone. So guys, I bring you this. Senator Dino Melaye declares to run against Yaya Bello for governor of Kogi State. So Senator Dino Melaye declares to run against Yaya Bello for Kogi State governorship election in November, and there's a video of his declaration to back it up. So now to the body of the story. Senator Dino Melaye has announced his interest to contest Kogi State governorship race this November. The lawmaker, who currently represents Kogi West in the Senate, declared his intention to stand for the November 16 poll at a People's Democratic Party meeting held at Major General David Jemibewon's Ayetoro Country House on Saturday. According to him, the party leaders at the meeting asked others interested in the race to inform them within 2 weeks to enable the party to screen them and prepare for the primaries. So Dino has now declared his interest in the Kogi State seat, and let me just show you a clip of that declaration.
This is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. I am ready, I am willing, I just need the support of our elders. We should not lie to ourselves. And above all, I have consulted God. I have consulted God. And there's no network failure between me and God. Anytime I call upon him, he picks my calls. He doesn't give me missed calls. More importantly, my mother joined the angels. And together they are now backing me up. So I have celestial support. In view of all this, before my political elders and fathers and the entire Kogi West that are here and those that are not here, I formally announce my intention and decision to run for the governor.
So there you saw Dino effectively declaring his intention to run for the Kogi State governorship race in November this year. So this now comes as no surprise to anyone, because there's nobody on this planet, I don't think, that Dino Melaye detests more than the Kogi State governor, and I'm pretty certain that the feelings are mutual. So there you have it, this arch rival, this arch enemies at it again. I have always been of the thought that Dino Melaye would at some point gone for that Kogi State governorship election, and since Yaya Bello is not going into his second term now, and he considers Yaya Bello to be his arch enemy, and he really wants to confront this guy, this effectively is his last opportunity to confront and contend with this guy. So Yaya Bello and Dino Melaye, this is the run-in for Kogi State come November 2019. But then of course Yaya Bello is Buhari's boy. We all know that. So Yaya Bello is very much under Buhari's wings and is protected by the Buhari status because of his relationship with the presidency and all whatnot. But then Dino Melaye is a Dino Melaye, a popular guy, well liked and right across the country, not just in Kogi State, and certainly popular in his state as well, because he constantly wins and continues to win his senatorial district despite not doing anything at all for that district, and despite often always being in the opposition party. So he has some clout there, and he knows the politics of the state. So now this is the battle that we've all been wanting to see for a long time. We've already seen Yaya Bello practicing boxing, and we've already seen Dino Melaye mastering his musical skills with the usual comedy hour tracks, that the diss tracks that is always dropping on his political opponents. So it all portends for a very fun time in November as these two chaps entertain us with their own different brand of Nigerian comedy politics, with one being the boxer and the other one being the musician, and both of them gunning for the Kogi State wealth to continue to loot and pillage the state, no doubt. So what says you? Conversations, this is one that we've been waiting for. Yaya Bello versus Dino Melaye. Dino Melaye versus Yaya Bello. Where are you placing your bet? Who's your money on? Who are you backing? Come have a chat with me about this in the comment section. But before you come have that chat with me about this in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button that notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.